Oops. For some random reason, I am a guest. And this thing, I need to make an account. And this is supposed to be my friend. I'm logged. Nope. I'm logged into my account. My friend, where is he? Oh, look. WWE guy 1912. I mean 912. And now he's saying it's not my friend. I'm saying I need to make an account. I don't know. I'm supposed to have perm. I am sure. Hold up. Okay, so I'm just gonna try and go through the course. And that was weird. Like everyone got jailed. Really? Why do this to me? Like, what the heck? Okay, there. Is my friend like? Oh my God, he doesn't even know it's me. And guess we're removed. Okay, so much lag. Guess we're removed. Like, what? What is happening? I can't chat as well. Hello, people. WWE guy. I'm gonna leave the game. Join him back. I'm gonna see what happens. Or am I another guest or something? Because guess who removes the this is awkward. Again, there goes the phone. But this is weird. This is very, very, very weird. And it's great. I'm out of here. Peace. See you